Today's word is always. It's one of the most useful words in English because it talks about things that happen all the time. Always means at every time or all the time. It means something happens without exception. Many learners confuse always with sometimes or usually. Remember, always is stronger. It means every single time. Common patterns are always plus verb, always plus be plus adjective, and phrases like always on time or always ready. I always drink coffee in the morning. She is always happy. They always arrive early. The sun always rises in the east. Anna promised her dog she would always take him for walks. Every day, she kept her promise, rain or shine. Think of a clock running all the time. The clock is always moving, just like the word always means all the time. Repeat after me, always. Now try to use it in a sentence today. See you next time.